Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. If you don't know by now, if you don't know by now, man, I guess you should. Who got the throne, now who got next? That boy Natty got style that got him all vexed. Ain't trying to gumble, so really I don't bet. On track, speed facts, got him summarized the teacher. Yep, screw them. Even if I was that low, man, I wouldn't do them. So I'ma do me, that's a problem. Somebody hold him, a Tiger B has told him. Boy so wild, mama called him Tarzan. Note on the program, I just crashed in. Better yet, I'm blending. Being in the sky like an airplane. Can hear what you're saying, man. Miss, I hate Natty G, man. Go ahead with the hating then. I'm busy making other plans. How to second Benjamins. I hop in the sky, my level high. Barely sober. Serial spitting killer. It's game over. Barely sober. It's the level that I claim. Without being intoxicated, the feeling is the same. Ladies and gentlemen, this is what we call destruction.